You remembered Paint 3D, which I have currently opened right now? The app that used to promise 3D creative future in Microsoft Windows. Well, it's gone. And it's gone long back. If you see here, this message also further say the same. Microsoft Paint 3D won't be available even in Microsoft Store from November 4, 2024. So that's even long way back. This app is gone. Not removed from menu, not hidden in setting, but erased from official store. So the question arises is, what really happened to Paint 3D? And why did an app that was once pushed so hard disappear without noise? Paint 3D wasn't just another Windows app. When Microsoft introduced it, the message was clear. This was creativity for everyone. Where we do have lot of 3D shape, you can today also easily create 3D model and shape, which you can of course play with. You also can create 3D stickers and so on. So basically Microsoft was trying to make 3D accessible for everyone. And at a point, Microsoft even hinted that Paint 3D would eventually replace the classic Paint. So that's how serious they were about it. Here's the problem. Most people open Paint 3D once, played with it for a few minutes because there are so many new things. There is even a dedicated library for 3D object. And after interacting with it, they never opened Paint 3D again. Because probably this was never the use case for users. If you want to quickly edit your picture, classic Paint was faster. If you want a real design work, Paint 3D was too limited. If you want serious 3D, the professional used completely different tool set. So Paint 3D, I would say, didn't fail loudly, it failed quickly, and that matters. Paint 3D did not vanish overnight. First, it stopped getting attention, then it stopped being promoted, then it stopped coming pre-installed with Microsoft Windows, and finally, 2 years ago, Microsoft made the final move. They kicked it out even from Microsoft Store. And as of today, you cannot even download Microsoft Paint 3D officially. And that's when the story really ended. Paint 3 wasn't removed because people didn't use it enough, and then Microsoft doesn't keep unused apps around anymore. So that's a kind of big shift. If Paint 3D was already installed in your system, it might still open. But if it is gone, there is no official way to get it back. Search the store, it's not there. This kind of gives us a lesson of mismatch between demand and supply. Software doesn't always die with an announcement, sometimes it fades away. The bigger lesson here is for Microsoft is they need to really understand what their audience want. There was a clear mismatch between what they want and what Microsoft have supplied to them. And the result, as we know, was kind of disaster. That's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus for more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.